Good morning to everyone. I am discuss about the topic semantic networks. A brief look at semantic networks. A semantic network is a irregular graph that has concepts in vertices and relations on arcs. Relations can be ad hoc, but they can also be quite general. For example, um, like ice, it is the form of hardness, texture, color, temperature, and then it is the instance of snowman also. Relation often express physical properties of objects, color, length, and other of lots of others. Most often, relations like two concepts, like general semantic relations, help represent the meaning of simple sentences in a semantic way. A sentence is centered on a verb that expects certain arguments. For example, verb usually denotes action with agents or states, which passive experience. For example, he dreams or he is sick. For example, Sarah. Example of semantic relationship is Sarah. She is an agent, and he lives in a past, and he sits in a chair. The chair is an object, and glue. It's an instrument. Next, frame and frame systems. A frame represents a concept. A frame system represents an organization of knowledge about a set of related concepts. A frame has slots that denote properties of object. Some slots have denotes fillers. Some are empty. May be filled when more becomes known about an object. Frames are linked by relations or specialization, generalization, and by many ad hoc relations. For example, hotel room. It has a specialization of chairs, phone, bed. These are the things that we have in hotel room. Like in hotel room, hotel chairs, we have specialization of chair. Chair, it may be 20 to 40 centimeters, and then it can be used for sitting or semi-seater. It has 4 legs or 3 legs, like that. And we have a hotel phone, like calling for service or room services, and then billing for through room. And then for hotel bed, it is used for sleeping, and then for sitting, and it may be a king size or queen size, and it is a mattresses frame mattresses. And next is a conceptual graphs. Java so created the conceptual graphs notation in 1984. It has substantial psychological and philosophical motivations. It is still quite a popular knowledge representation, formalization, especially in semantic process of language, and a topic of interesting research. Like, for example, bird, it can fly and it can sit. It is an airy relationship. And a dog, it contains a color like brown, black, or white, and it's a two airy relationship. And next is a conceptual graphs can be expressed in first order logic, but due its graphical form, it may be easier to understand than logic. For example, child, and then it has a parent three airy relationship. Child, parents, and parents like father and mother, and this is a parent is a three airy relation. Next is this is a conceptual graph for representing one of a person and the agent, color, specialization, and specification. And this is another conceptual graph. Her name is a Mahil, and she called her Lil, but everyone knows her as Nancy. And this is an variable allows to express the identity of an individual. For example, dog can scratch with the use of paw. Paw is an instrument. And then for ears, ear is an object, and also a part of a dog, and how it scratches using that paw. And this is another conceptual graph. Specialization and type hierarchical dogs are animals. A brown dog eats a bone. Ema, the brown animal on the porch. Ema, the brown dog on the porch. Ema, the brown dog on the porch eats a bone. The challenge is to get this from text. And then this is a conceptual graph for a hierarchy model, and also for inheritance. Primate is one of the monkey family, and it has the part of hand, and also the chimpanzee. From primate, the chimpanzee is inherited, and the inheritance of property by a subclass. And next is a chimpanzee bonzo. It inherited from the chimpanzee family, an inheritance of a property by an individual. And this is the another dog which contains the prepositions. Dog which has the color pink, and this is a negation and quantification. Two size puzzle. This is one of a person called John. He is an object and he likes to eat and he likes to drink a soup with the help of instrument hand. This is the two simple puzzles. Thank you.